Minister of Public Works Juan Edgel, on the sideline of the National Assembly on Thursday, noted that the government is moving forward with legal action, following the gazetting and enforcement of the order for compulsory acquisition through the Attorney General's chamber.
We have said to those who disagree with what was the government offer, you have a valuation, we have a valuation. We are making an offer, you are making an offer, we don't agree. The law provides that a judge will determine what will be the price the government needs to pay to ensure that the person not violated or robbed or cheated. So we will approach a judge by way of an application to the court, and the judge will determine the outcome.
According to Edgel, the government's offer to affected residents were based on expert evaluations and were the result of a 2-year consultative process as stipulated by law. These consultations aimed at ensuring transparency and fairness in the acquisition process. He further noted that offers were made based on fair market price and 15 persons, however, have objected to those offers, while 6 persons have agreed to a settlement. Meanwhile, in an exclusive interview with the 90 News on Friday, some residents from the Peters All area are urging the government to offer them fair compensation packages. They expressed dissatisfaction with the lack of consultations and felt marginalized, alleging that they are being bullied to leave their homes.
The compensation was not to get rich, but to get enough money to rebuild what we had established here, you see? And I don't know how the government is looking at it, but there seems to be a lot of force in them to bulldoze the rights of common people, Guyanese, for their own aim. In this home, they have at least one sick person that cannot move about on their own. No mobility, is in bed, right? Where we can put that person? You see, so that's what we're looking at. It's not a case where the government could not have come forward and settle.
I need the private valuation because that house over there was being paid on the private valuation, and I need that too. Not paying us on our private valuation. And they're paying the other people, the Indian people, they're paying them on the private valuation.
Minister Edgel conducted a visit to the area on May 7 to deliver eviction and property demolition notices to residents who declined the government's offer. The properties identified for compulsory acquisition were officially vested in the state of Guyana and published in the official gazette. Reporting for the HGP 90 News, I am Kerese Gonsalves.